never knowing the difference between when I'm grumpy hungry and grumpy tired. It's a big one. I just want to say, Shugsy, hubby, that I feel genuinely lucky for that fateful night in ABC where we first kissed and our teeth knocked together. And you've been as smooth as that ever since. I really shouldn't have been surprised that when you proposed with the ring box upside down. That's just the Shugsy that we all know and love.
Ruth, you truly are the most amazing, driven, beautiful and painful indecisive person that I know. Ruthie, thank you for being you. Thank you for giving me the right number eventually and saying yes in New York eventually. I often tell you that I can't believe how gorgeous you look, but I can honestly say that today it tops a lot. I love you more than you know, and I feel so incredibly lucky to finally be able to call you my wife. So can I ask you all to please raise a glass to my fabulous new wife, Ruth. I, Connor Francis James Hughes,
I, Ruth Niven,
solemnly and sincerely declare
that I
know of no legal impediment to my marrying Ruth Niven.
To my marrying Connor Francis James Hughes.
You, Connor, and you, Ruth, and our husband or wife, you may share your first married kiss.
Shugsy, I love you and I like you. You've been the best part of my good and bad days for the last 9 odd years. And I just can't wait to spend the rest of our lives going on holidays, eating pizza and taking the piss out of each other.